dark and I've got to.
And it does.
I'm watching these clouds moving. Oh, in the middle of summer.
Hey YouTube, this is sooooo Films here. I'm going to show you a really epic dash funny replay. Now blah blah blah, you're shooting, let's get that a little faster. Maybe a little faster. Alright, look at that. I don't know what that is. And then look at this. He just derps out. He just derps out. I'm going forward, but I can't go forward. I'm like going backwards for some odd reason. And I just like go derp. Let's go a little faster. And then this thing starts to go up. And then naturally I started to die. Well, I didn't die yet. I was flying for a moment. I was just going derp. So let's watch that one more time. A little faster. So if you didn't know where the glitch started, it was right on the guy right after this. So let's go a little slower. Rape that guy. Rip his arm off. Blah blah blah. Now watch this. I think this is the guy, right? As I run, I shoot, and I jump over him, which makes the gun slowly move down when I go like that. Because the gun is displaced, it causes some type of glitch, and I don't know why, but this is the Dawn of the Dead map, and if you guys want to find out this glitch, I tried this like 5 times. This is about the 2nd time I got this shotgun penis type of thing. Then I fly back, hit my head. I don't know, it's just all crazy. So this has been sooooo Films, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little clip. Bye.